going to be for those of you who are single and ready to date. If you have a love interest that you're interested in, this is for you guys, okay? So we are going to be getting into two things. We're going to go over how you feel, how your person of interest feels, your point of view, their point of view. And if you want to go deeper, there's going to be an extended version of this. And we're going to be looking into your real intentions with one another and some angel messages for guidance, how you both see one another in the connection, but to go deeper, find out what they really, really want to see and how they really see you underneath it all. Get the extended. The link will be down below in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe. All right, so Cancer, let's talk about love here. What is going on? How do you feel about this person you're interested in? Some of you are going to be feeling absolutely elated with this connection, really happy and full of love and excitement about where things are heading with this individual. This is someone who you have high hopes about, or you think highly of them. I'm getting a sense that you admire this person. You admire some things about them and the way they carry themselves, how they live their life, how they are just this really bright energy that you actually see in them and that you admire about them. This person looks good in your eyes and they're very positive. And I think that the connection also looks good and positive between the two of you. They're coming forward now. They may be coming forward slowly toward you, but this person wants the connection to remain intact and to be a solid connection. This is like the calm after the storm. Maybe you guys had a stormy session, a stormy conversation, a stormy argument, maybe a stormy time in the connection. But now I feel like this person is like, now like we can be more calm about this connection moving forward. This is a more relaxed and secure feeling within the connection with them. How they feel about you. They're in love with you, Cancer. They are in love with you like never before. This person is starting to see love in a new way. There is a new and potent connection that's happening right now. And a fearless act of courage and love for you that this person has. So this gives me a sense that this person is willing to fight for the love that you have. Fight to be in your life. They want to be there. So they are so protective or highly honored to be with you. There is something about them honoring who you are, Cancer. There is something about them thinking of you in such a high honor. There is a prestige about the way they care about you and for the connection overall. So they are mighty and they are just when it comes to you. And I get a sense that that is because this person really knows who you are at this time, and they are so in love with who you are. They have a love for you, even if they're at a distance, or even if the connection is not fully formed. There is a love for you. Like, you could sense that this person cares. So how do you see this person? This is someone who you realize there is infinite potential with them. There is so much potential to be with this person. You may see this person as someone who has a vision for how they want the connection to be, but they may not have been taking action. So a vision without action is like a daydream. Like, they may fantasize a lot about being with you, but they haven't taken the action to actually be with you. They may also, in times when they take action, they may take action aimlessly. Like, they may not have a reason for taking certain actions towards you, which could turn out to be a nightmare. Because if you're not prepared for this person to take action towards you, then when they do, it could either throw you off, catch you off guard, or it may be something totally unexpected and you're like, where did this just come from? Right? So their energy can be wishy-washy or up and down. But I do get a sense that this person has a vision that is becoming more clear to them as they look more within their heart, as they seek more personal guidance within themselves. Then they're able to look deeper into what's actually going on. So this person may be becoming more sensitive to energies around them. They could be having like heightened psychic abilities. Their intuition could be increasing. You may also see that this person wants a union with you. This could be your divine feminine or your divine masculine. And you may feel that they do want something with you. They're starting to realize who you are actually to them. And they're starting to become stronger in this love. And they're filled with more light and wisdom because of the love that you're sending to them. This is a profound and complete understanding of you, Cancer. This person profoundly understands you. If you are a Cancer who has an energy like a queen or share in the royal bloodline or lineage like a queen, and you are a female, of course, then this is a person who sees you as such, and now they completely understand what it means, what is required to be with you. If this person sees you as a true queen, then that means it comes with a higher level of understanding, a deeper love, more compassion, a closeness, a created bond that is based off of real loyalty and respect, because that is what you do. Your Highness, you treat your Highness as such, a person of high respect, high value. So this person is seeing you through these eyes. They are also someone who you may see as being able to teach you different things as well. They could be helping you to kill old habits and ways that you once had, Cancer, about yourself. This person is now tapping into their intuition and their psychic abilities, and that's how you see them. They are in tune with so many different things, and it's like watching this person or knowing this person in any kind of way that you watch them or you know them. You see so much potential in this person. The only thing that I think you really want right now, Cancer, could be for them to come toward you or take action toward you. That could be the only thing that's missing. All right. Now, this person, how they see you. They see you as their twin flame. Cancer, this person feels like you're their twin flame. Okay. And the way they see you is someone who has surrendered to God with this whole thing. They see you as like giving in to the connection. I don't feel it's a giving up. It's a up and down thing. You guys have like an up and down energy field with each other. 1 minute you're surrendering to it. The next minute you're surrendering like you're giving it up, right? 1 minute this person takes action, the next minute they don't. So it's like a back and forth thing. They take action, sometimes they don't. You surrender, and sometimes you give in, right? So it's like the way they see you, though, is someone who is so soothing. Your words could be soothing to them, or your energy can be calming to them. They may see pictures of you and smile a lot when they see pictures of you. This person may listen to your words or your recordings or hear your voice or talk to you, and they just find so much peace when they're in your energy field. You are enticing to this person's soul. You call them in, you persuade them, you pull them in with just your energy alone. So this is someone who they sense an identity shift sometimes within the connection with you. And they see that you're having an identity shift. Something about who you are in the world is shifting now, where maybe the smaller version of you, meaning like the way you thought, the way you think, when you maybe you thought small when it came to this person or this connection, and at first you thought this way because possibly you were driven by fear. Okay, you could have been afraid to take action toward this connection. You could have been, sometimes you let those fears get in the way, but this person sees you as also having another side to you where you have this drive coming from this spiritual side of yourself and this unconditional love and understanding to give And with this unconditional love and understanding, that is a real value about you that can never be taken away. In this person's eyes, when they see you, Cancer, and they think about you, nobody can ever take away who you are in a spiritual sense in this world. No one can ever take away your intuition. No one can ever take away your power. No one can ever take away the destiny that God has given to you, has granted for you. No one can ever take away your spiritual power and your ranking here in this world. No one can take that away. And that's how they see you. No matter if you yourself let your fears make you change or change certain things, or maybe see yourself as small or play yourself small, this person knows that there's a whole other side of you that is so big, and that is your unconditional love just exuding out of your heart for others as well as them. So they see you having so much warmth and protection when it comes to the way you can love. You provide so much warmth, so much protection to the connection, and they are aware of that. They know that you are the living essence of passion, okay, in their life. It's your passion, it's your love that drives the connection and moves the connection forward. They know that it's your heart that they want, that they seek. It's your vibe. They feel your energy, and your energy feels like all of these things that I'm explaining. I know that it's hard to understand or hard to connect sometimes when a person is not able to put things in such a colorful way like this, and it does require for you to use a little bit of imagination sometimes. But this is how your energy, this is what it's like for this person to be in your energy. This is what you make them feel like. And also they know that what's required to be in your life is great skill and a willingness to release things from the past. This person knows that they would have to do that, but they also know that that's something you share in common, where you may need to do that too. Release some things that are old and free yourself from ancient shackles of shame, fear, doubt, guilt, and denial. This could be a person who you know from a past life, Cancer, where in a past life, maybe you two were together. Maybe you two were in each other's lives in some kind of way. And maybe there's still shackles holding this person down and making them feel different emotions and things because of events playing out in present day that happened in a past life. Whatever this person is going through that you're aware of, you know that they're still fighting things from a past life, and they're fighting them in this lifetime. But this person has great skill and a willingness to get rid of this. And I think you see something so beautiful happening with this person right now, where they are learning to forgive themselves first for the things that they have no control over that's happening right now in this life. And now they are seeing so much light and positivity, and they're starting to think more positively about everything. And now you see them rising up to claim their birthright. That's what you see. It is something about this person where you two are definitely twin souls, because what I'm getting here is you two are too much alike. If it's not a twin soul, then it's definitely a past life connection where you know each other from before. It's mirroring each other, but this person is now needing to step into their power. And that's what you see them doing at this, or sorry, that's what they see you doing. See, it's kind of like a little confusing because it's kind of like you both are doing this. But they do see you stepping into, you need to rise up and claim who you are, your birthright. And there's things that's happening right now that could be holding you back. Could be things that's holding you back from stepping into your true power. And that's what they're trying to get you to see. I think because you see them already in this energy, that's what's happening, Cancer. You're seeing them already in their purpose. They want to see you in yours. They want to see you in yours, fully in your purpose. So they want you to stop allowing shame, fears, doubt, guilt, and denial to get in the way. They are ready for you to be the person that God has created you to be, and to show the world who you are. right? But they also see that you guys are in the surrender stage of the twin flame connection. And this is a good part, but it's also a scary part. It's being that you are not as connected to them in this moment is scary, because they don't know if they're going to lose you for good or if this is the moment right before the forever together. They don't know. So this is a very crucial time. And if you want to go deeper, check out the extended. God bless.